What are we unboxing today, Kevin?
We are unboxing a new Steeda Focus ST intake pipe for my 2017 Focus ST. Another paper.
Always paper. Oh, I see clamps. Yeah, looks like mine, just not as long. Oh yeah, that's what she said.
Sweetness.
Yeah. Oh, tell me, wait, let me see the clamps. Let's see if they. No, I just wanted to see if they like had like special Steeda hardware or anything. I don't feel bad. I paid almost $400 for mine, and I didn't get special hardware either.
Well, I got a sticker.
I thought that was the same one that you were running before. I remember being green. I just didn't know if it was like a.
Although this one seems like it's a darker green.
Yes, it does. The other one was more like.
It's all like
that color.
Green. Yeah. So we'll see what it looks like when it gets in. Either way, either this one or the other one's going to Melissa's car. Ooh. Yeah. So she gets a free intake out of the whole deal. She's like, marriage, yes. Free shit.
Couldn't care less. What's that, Kevin?
It's the Cobb Access Port V3. Full flash tuner for the Focus ST.
Yeah.
We're going to go stage 1. I was going to go stage 2.
Okay, wait, so your ST is an ST2 stage 2 package on the car, but your tune
will
is
be stage 1.
Stage 1.
It's right now, it's stock tune.
Okay.
How close are you to factory size?
Yeah. So, heads up if you buy a kit from Steeda, you know, a kit that includes all the pieces, like coupler reducers, silicone, maybe so you can connect the new discounted pipe they fucking send you. Yeah. What I'm trying to say is Steeda fucked up. So check your box when it gets here, because if you got a car show the next day, I promise you, you're fitting to run to Advanced AutoZone.
Thanks, Advanced Auto.
Take 2. Yay!
Oh shit, look at that. No look, right in the hole.
How's it going? Whoa, cool, Kevin. So it went right on?
First take.
We jam it in the hole.
Yeah, we're gonna work on fitment in a second, but we're getting there.
As long as the black pipe fits in the hole snugly.
I got your snuggly right here.
What we've got here is a black anaconda in its natural habitat. It's trying to climb into a hole. Yoink.
Alright.
I heard that if you lube the inside of the tube up with water and then run it.
Plug back in. That's a good sound.
Click.
Feel comfortable with that, no?
I know, mine, you know what's crazy is mine didn't either. It did not feel like it clicked all the way on, and I would have fucking bet money that it was going to come off in 5 seconds, and it just didn't.
Yeah? There we go, there it is. That's the spirit.
No, we're going to need to take 2. No, just kidding.
Nice. Alright, now I gotta get it back over here without losing that fucking ammo. Shimon!
Oh.
Yep. Yeah, even the full kit, so if you delete the box,
You still get the fucking foreskin pipe intake thing?
The only ones that delete that completely are CPE, and it's a full crazy kit. That's $500. They can go.
Yeah.
It's gorgeous, but they can go. That's yours. Maybe that is the right location. We might need to take 2 of those.
No, that's not how we do it. It's good to me. Boop. Boop. Nipple.
Go Steeda closer and low, or how should we put the logo?
It's yours, or center it, or just fucking center it.
Center it and figure out the logo later?
Oh, yeah, I just meant the word. Yeah, right there is fine.
Oh, motherfucker. And... Neat. Save your life.
Alright, slightly modified garage. So what you just experienced was what should have been a 35 to 45 minute job turned into a 5-hour intake job because Steeda, a very reputable company, did not send the 3 to 2.5 inch coupler that comes in the supposed kit. So we had to go buy one from AutoZone, which was like a 20-mile round trip, and tack on an extra hour to this job. But yeah, it's pretty and it's green, so that's probably going to make happy noises.
Designed for a dyno tune, so you want to put the car on the dyno and then modify the tune for maximum performance. If you're changing as many parts as we're planning on changing, it doesn't make much sense. So today we're looking at another way of tuning, which is the access port from Cobb. The beauty of the Cobb access port is the ease of use and the database that comes along with it. When you get your access port, it gives you a link to their website where you can go on and download any map that you want. There are hundreds of maps to choose from covering pretty much any modification you want to do to your Focus ST. Now basically here what you want to do is pick the file that best suits the performance mods you have done to your car. In our case we run 93 octane. We go to the stage 1 tune here. They do recommend putting a battery charger on it. It draws a decent amount of current when you're tuning with a tuner like this. You have a... That's right, so we're going to shut him up for a minute. So.